Hi there, I'm Tina Martin with Essential Partners, and today's Tina's tip is about wrinkles around the eyes. Nobody wants them. So first thing that I would go to is myrrh. I use a drop of myrrh in moisturizer, so throughout your whole face or just around your eyes, totally up to you. But myrrh can be very, very sticky. This would be a new bottle of myrrh, nice and neat. And this would be the bottle I am currently working out of. It's quite a mess. So myrrh is very sticky. A lot of times what I'll use is I'll use the fractionated coconut oil mixed in with the myrrh so that the myrrh is more pliable and easier to get the lid off of. So myrrh, great one to start with. Great for wrinkles. It's the go-to to put a little bit of myrrh and fractionated coconut oil just around the areas that I have difficulties with as far as wrinkles. Rose. Rose is fairly new to us, and it already comes with the fractionated coconut oil, and so it is basically pre-diluted and you can just roll it on around the eyes. So a lot of people that use rose water for their skin, and it's very beneficial for that as well. This is pre-diluted and you can roll it on wherever you have any kind of issues. Frankincense, again, known as the king of essential oils. If you don't have a skin routine, a quick and easy way to do it is take a drop or two of frankincense and again, put it in your moisturizer, put it in with some water and just splash it on your face. Awesome, great for the skin. So frankincense, myrrh, and rose would be go-tos to put a drop or two into your normal routine that you already have or adding to your routine, totally up to you. I didn't have a routine until I started with the Virage. So what I do is the myrrh around the eyes before I go to bed, because that's when your skin cells are going to rejuvenate, right? So geranium, not one that I love the smell of. It's very flowery and not for me. But when you're looking at geranium, geranium softens the skin. And so it's another great one to put in your routine, add to your moisturizer, add to some water around your face to basically soften the skin. So when I don't want to do my routine or when I don't have time or I am just too tired before I go to bed, I will take actually the Correctex. And the Correctex is in a gel form, and I will take the Correctex and just take a little bit like that. And I would just put it around those total areas that I have. Just kind of dab it around the eyes. And why does that work? Because look at the stuff that it has in it. It has the frankincense. And it has a lot of other great ingredients that are great for your skin. So when you think of skin, sometimes you think of lavender. Well, it's got lavender. When you think of irritations to the skin, you think of melaleuca. When you think of inflammation and such, think of frankincense. So it has a lot of the great ingredients that are for your skin already in there. And just doing that at night has reduced the wrinkles that I have around my eyes. Now I said I use Virage. And so I would use this Virage moisturizer. I would add a drop of the myrrh or the frankincense to that, put that on my face at night sometimes. But like I said, lavender, geranium, also great for the skin. You can add those to any of your routine as well. So, little girl's guide. Myrrh is not only good for wrinkles, but it's good for chapped skin. So 2 to 3 drops of myrrh, basically in a lotion to soften any of the calluses you may have on your feet, any chapped areas that you have on your skin, your hands, your elbows, whatever. 2 to 3 drops of myrrh is not only good for wrinkles, great for chapped skin. So again, I'm Tina Martin. This is Essential Partners and Tina's Tips. Everything said here has not been evaluated by the FDA, so please seek your healthcare advisor for any advice on health. Thank you.